It would be great.
How much? Oh,
Everything
thank
you
you.
can afford.
I don't know. That's enough money. You're
You bitch. You bitch.
Ooh, yeah. I have Carapace. I don't think you have space for it though.
No.
What's gonna be your tier 3 minion? Damn, you have a lot. Oof. Hmm. Hmm.
Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that scribe though. And the taunt. I think I freeze this. Yeah.
You have earned this.
We really want the cadaver. The cadaver is big gaming. I could get rid of the Eternal Knights. And actually, nah, I like them too. Fuck. Who am I to give the Reborn to is the question. I could give it to the Nereidian and guarantee he's reborn. Cadaver too. Cadaver guarantee reborn is great.
Here's another Carapace.
Yo,
Tier
who do you think I give
5.
this reborn to?
Like
Cadaver
this
or
one.
the Nereidian?